Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sunkara. Today we are going to discuss an ended defamation case where the High Court ordered the complainant or the plaintiff to pay back the expenses of 15 lakhs sanctioned by the government of Telangana for fighting this case. This is very famous case called as Smita Sabarwal case. Smita Sabarwal versus the Outlook magazine. In 2021, the judgment were given. Of course, the case was dismissed for non-perusal of documents. Now the issue has come that she has to pay back that 15 lakhs which was given as expenses to fight the case. Why this thing happened? Better to know. Enduku jarigindi idi. You may be knowing Smita Sabarwal anagane. So you might have seen her in the year 2015 or so. She was working as additional secretary in the CMO's, Chief Minister's Office, Telangana. Whenever the CM Chandrasekhar Rao was holding a meeting, we used to see her, and she used to be very docile, and she used to be very appears, looks a very young IAS officer in ethnic style. She used to wear saris, not the modern dresses. So it's a good appearance, it's a good look. Actually, she is a beautiful lady with good looks, and of course, people are actually having very good opinion on her because she used to take notes and she used to public. IAS officer is not. Her husband, Shri Akun Sabarwal, he worked as Vishakhapatnam rural, and he has become popular while working in the city in that heroin drugs cases, film actors and other things. So of course, this is a routine. He is an IPS officer. Our madam is an IAS officer. Why she has become a controversy, she has come into the controversies in the year 2015, I think on 18th June 2015, she and her husband attended a fashion show in a private hotel in Hyderabad city. And for this, she has gone for the rampage wearing, so actually she has stunned all the public by a trendy trouser and foily top or fozzling top. So she has actually stunned the public who have seen her. So they were stunned. Actually, she was having so much of ethnic style, sari, blouse and other things. But on seeing her, people were actually, they felt, of course, they have taken photos, and the Outlook magazine has actually, in her view, the Outlook has defamed her by drawing her caricature as though she was having the ramping walk, and KCR was as a cameraman, he is taking the photos and things. It has come as a caricature. So she felt very bad. She is an IAS officer. She felt very bad, and she wanted to file a case against these people. She wanted to go for defamation. Of course, here the state of Telangana supported her, and they asked her to go ahead with the case, for which they are released as per record 15 lakhs for her to fight the case. Now she has filed a case of defamation. Of course, she has reported the matter to police. She has filed a case of defamation for 10 crores. For 10 crores, she has to pay court fee of 9.5 lakhs. Right? That amount was already withdrawn, and she has put it in the. She has paid the court fee and stamps act. Ultimately, for that she has expended. And actually, the police registered a case under section 509 of the IPC, that is intentional insult of woman, section 67 of the Information Technology Act, and also section 3 and 6 of the Prevention of Insult to the Modesty of Woman Act. So, yes, I can call it as Indecent Representation of Women Act, section 3 and 6, 1986, that act has come. Right? So they have investigated, they have filed the charge sheet, the matter has come to the note of the court. And in the meanwhile, 2 public interest litigations were also filed as to why she should take the money, she should expend the public money, 15 lakhs. It's not the government money, means it's your money, it's our money. Of course, I am from Andhra, it's our money. Why should she take the money? So now, yesterday, actually on 26/4/2022, the Chief Justice of Telangana State, Satish Chandra Sharma, and Madam A.K. Shavili. So they have directed her to pay back the 15 lakhs, holding that the public servant cannot utilize the public money Of course, when she was on official duty, if she was discharging her sovereign duty, if she can use her sovereign authority, yes, then she can file a case, no problem. But what for she has gone to the hotel? Is it an official function? No, it's a private function. She has attended there, that too a fashion show which we don't like. No doubt, they are at liberty. Every person is at liberty. So it is not an official function. So please remember, state, no doubt, according to Article 282 of the Constitution of India, state can allow some funds, or state can grant some funds, which can be used for public purpose. It is not private. It is not a public purpose, because the court opined that neither fashion event nor participation of Akun Sabarwal, they could be seen as public work. Oh, this is the important point. See, normally we also felt bad after this Outlook magazine. Mr. Krishna Prasad, when he went to the police station, when he met the governor also, and said that the police are witch hunting him, like that he has made allegations also at that time. So why should he draw the caricature, that to an IAS officer, that to a woman officer? We felt, but now the point, critical point, legal point in this case, please remember. ఆమె ఎందుకు వెళ్ళింది ఫ్యాషన్ షోకి? ప్రభుత్వం తరపున వెళ్ళిందా, సొంతగా వెళ్ళిందా, పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది జాబా అనేటువంటి పాయింట్ మీదకి వస్తే, ఇట్ వాజ్ ఎ ప్రైవేట్ ఫంక్షన్ హెల్డ్ ఇన్ ఎ హోటల్. సో షీ హాస్ గాన్ దేర్ యాజ్ ఎ సివిలియన్, నాట్ యాజ్ అన్ ఆఫీసర్. నో డౌట్, she is supposed to be on duty for 24 hours, but she is not in the discharge of official duty. This is the critical difference between being on duty and discharging duty. Is it not? Now the High Court directed the officer to return back the 15 lakhs. Of course, that secretary said that she has spent only for 9.5 lakhs. She has to shell down back the money within 90 days. Otherwise, action will be taken. Of course, she will get back the money. 10 lakhs is nothing for an IAS officer. Husband is also IPS. But why should you? The main point to know is our exchequer. It is our money. Why should they spend the money? Why should the government grant such an amount, huge amount of 15 lakhs to a woman officer for defending or for prosecuting a case personally? This is the question point. Yes, court has very clearly stated. So please read the case law if you are having time and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.